Right, let's do this. Do you mind taking that, mate?
No problem.
Thank you, buddy.
What's your name, mate?
It's Jack.
Hi, Jack.
Need a hammer in any of that? You
Oh,
alright?
I'm alright. Thank you. Do you mind giving me a hand, mate?
No worries.
Sorry, mate.
Come on, Mano.
No
Take the
problem.
help. We are down at Project Powder Coating. This is in Brett Lane, in Bridley Hill. Let's have a look. Oh, cool. I like the colours and the lighting. It's a nice place. Keeps it clean.
They do now a powder zinc,
Yeah.
which is like a powder primer.
That sounds nice.
So we could put that on and then possibly go over the top with the satin black, which is what all
Sounds
the
lovely, mate.
motocross lads and stuff use it also.
Sounds lovely, mate.
Okay.
What about the fuel tank, mate? Because obviously you're going to dip that, or
We're going to dip the fuel tank, yeah.
That's all right.
Re-dip it,
Cool.
see how clean it comes up, and then yeah, we'll give it a quick blast.
Freaking
over.
awesome, mate.
Basically, we start off chemical stripping.
Okay.
Once everything's been chemically stripped.
What's in here, mate?
Yeah.
Was that your chlorine thing you said? Yeah.
It's quite low at the minute.
Yeah. So that's where you get rid of the grease.
Basically, degrease everything, strips any paint, contaminant stuff.
Yeah. And then from there it goes into your.
From there it goes into the water bath, sorry, just to neutralise it all.
Okay.
We send it into a jet clean, we then jet wash anything else off, really good machine.
Is that like a degreaser but with compressed air?
Basically, yeah.
Dude, that's the ones we were looking at, man. They make them in Bilston, don't they?
Yeah, that's it.
I was looking at one of them as well, man.
They are a really good machine, really good.
That is a dog's balls, man.
From them
The degreasing, like, you know what I mean?
From there we go over to that sandblasting.
Okay.
I mean, the grit we use isn't very harsh. We use a mixture of glass bead and aluminium oxide, but only a
Dry bead lasting, innit?
Yeah, dry bead.
That is mint.
Here's your oven, dude.
Did that come in as a new unit, or is that a
No, that's been blasted and redone.
Blasted,
It is, second hand. It was bought second hand, that one.
Can you feel the heat?
Yeah.
Yeah, go in. It should be
Is
be
that
cool.
gas?
This is a gas bed.
Oh man, I bet you come in here when it's freaking cold weather just to warm up.
Yeah.
Beautiful in the cold.
What I used to do, because we had the conveyor belts on ours, we used to put the tins of soup just inside the oven and leave them for half an hour. And then you got a hot soup for your lunch, like, it was brilliant.
What's going on? Come on and look at these gloves.
These are just cooling down as we speak. He's done these.
Are these aluminium?
Yeah.
These are a lovely finish on
That
these,
looks
dude.
very metallic, man.
Yeah.
Like part of a Terminator or something.
It's nice. It's a nice
That
finish.
is beautiful, mate. This is where the powder goes on.
Yeah. Again,
What I used to do.
they've just been done. They have a nice TV archive mirror there.
Oh, nice, man.
We used to have the hoppers, but you just use the box.
Yeah, we
don't
just
you?
use the boxes.
These are the new style ones.
So what's degassing then, mate? I've never heard of that.
Degassing is basically just to let the contaminants and stuff escape from the aluminium. From the steel's fine, but I mean, the gas is basically the contaminants and stuff collects from chemical stripping and blasting. So obviously, once the wheels get up to a certain temperature, around 150 degrees metal temp, that's when the gases will release and
It's ready to be
powder coated, yeah.
And then do you magnetise
It's
the wheel?
electrostatically charged, yeah.
It's in the paint.
It's in the paint?
Yeah, the metal. So it sticks.
It's got metal in it, metal and plastic particles. Is it?
Basically, yeah, it's all, yeah.
Mate, sorry for sticking our noses into your business.
Mate, it's not. It's fine,
our viewers are classic car people.
Right, okay.
Most of them. Some of them are not at all, but they do like watching the channel.
Yeah.
And I appreciate watching a bit. You know, some other YouTubers that go into their suppliers to.
There's a lot of people that have never seen it. It is interesting.
You hear about powder coating. You don't ever like imagine all the depth of your business. I mean, this costs quite a lot of money to set up.
It's a lot of money to set up, yeah.
Is it your business?
It's mine and my business partner, Will, yeah.
Well done, buddy. What is it?
Can't read it. Pick it up. Man. Take it in the light.
Take it in the light.
Someone's just left it by the front door.
I reckon this is mead.
You reckon it is?
It's light, but it feels very full. If that makes any sense. Mr. Ian. Yes, sir. Someone's left this outside the front door while you were. Did no one knock on it? No. Dude, do you reckon it's mead?
I think it's got some writing on it. Let's have a look. Best wishes, lads.
Best wishes, lads.
From Cosley. This is what your toilet roll holds.
That you can take away.
The takeaway toilet.
What? First aid kit?
Cool, man. I actually was looking into that the other day.
No way, man. Is this a first aid kit?
It's a nice one as well.
Oh, dude, look. Do you drink that shit?
That's for flushing your eyes out.
Ah. You've got a little mirror on it as well, dude.
Yeah, it's an eye wash station.
Check this out, man. Well, that's very handy, isn't it? Is this for when you're working with metal and stuff like that?
in case you get any...
Ah.
Oh, yes! Some
Sex
pictures,
Pistols.
Yeah, Sex Pistols, man.
Ian, come on, have a look at this, man.
Check these out.
Cosley Kev, right?
Yeah.
He's bought us this
An eye wash station.
right? Because he's probably looked at us grinding shit.
Yeah.
He's bought us
God save the Queen.
and it's framed as well, so that can go straight up.
Yeah. What's the other ones, dude?
Right.
That was nice of him.
God save the Queen. Oh, dude.
Oh, ain't you decent?
I've been watching you, Gav.
That is the rocks.
Oh, look at Angus, man.
Let
Dude,
it
that
be
is
rough.
awesome, man.
Oh, these are going up right now, man.
That is awesome. Freaking awesome. It's got to be the Who, hasn't it? No.
Oh, it's the actual... That's the...
He's a Sex
Never mind
Pistols
the
fan,
bollocks.
man.
He was a bleeding
Yeah, dude,
punk
it's an
rocker.
epic album, man.
Is
It
it?
really is.
Okay.
One of Jeff's favourites.
Thanks, buddy. That's
Jeff.
awesome. Hello, Kieran.
Hello.
Your husband's been doing me a hairdressing.
It looks like he's doing a great job.
Mm.
It's looking good, man.
He's looking really good.
I've took a lot of...
I look like I'm a 1920s New Yorker. Feels good.
He's back. Just fill you in here, guys. This is my friend Tony, who plays in Metropolitan Nash with me. He's been building this old 30s Ford hot rod for a while, and he's had the engine back and he's installed it, but it needs a little bit of tuning, and because it is so loud, and he doesn't want to disturb his neighbours, so what we're going to do is take it down to Rusty Love HQ, and we film the journey down, so enjoy. That's better. It's just a bit cold, I think.
Looks like this is the 5th time broken down due to a throttle cable fault. It's happened again? It's a good thing there was a lay-by.
Something in here. Really?
Yeah. Roadside repairs. Still stuck? That don't make sense, man, because it's coming through this way. Try it now, man. Hang on. Try it now. There you go. Yeah? So it's gone through now, yeah?
Yeah, let's have a look at the ring.
I've let it go. Is it working? Yeah.
It's fucking really stiff.
It's really stiff, man. What, is it through this hole, in the bulkhead where the stiffness is occurring?
Yeah.
It might be the cable's frayed, man.
Yeah. Well, if I could just get this fucking off. Leave it fucking dangling. Free now.
Go on, start her up, man.
Little bit at a time.
Yeah.
Once we get to there, it's downhill.
100 yards at a time. There's a test centre, COVID test centre.
There, dude.
Yellow vests. Full throttle, man.
It's working now.
We'll do another couple of 100 yards. Go on then.
Hold on, let's get the dipstick.
Might as well do an oil check. Oh, that.
It's a good idea.
He's using the dipstick to grease it up. Has it got any oil in it? Yeah.
Don't enough, does it?
No, it doesn't look like a lot, man. Jeez.
Pumped up, is it all pumped up? Pumped up?
Oh yeah, it's all over the engine, innit? It'll take a while. Oh dude, look, that's what they're doing, man. That's what I want to be doing.
I think they've gone, dude.
Oh, they've gone, alright. This would have been sold in England?
Yeah.
What is it, a Popular? Ford Popular or something?
Ford. Model Y.
Ford Model Y?
So you've got your Model A, Model
Yeah.
T, your Model Y.
What happened to B and C and A? And all
Well,
that?
they do them, but
No.
they
I
didn't.
don't know
They,
about that.
They fucking skipped.
got some oil on that now.
Yeah, that might help a bit. That was an interesting, resourceful, wasn't it, man? Use a dipstick to oil your car.
Tony's full of bright ideas.
Oil your cable.
I love the... Where did the thing go, mate?
Took it off.
Oh,
I took it off because it was trying to suck it in the hole like.
I love that, man. I love it, man. A bit of fucking, what's it called? Flue.
Flue pipe.
Using a bit of flue pipe for the air. That's brilliant.
See what we've got now.
Go on then, fire her up. Gav, move out of the way, man. Smash the throttle. Yes.
Lovely.
Yep. Take the camera with you, dude, this time. Try, just film you a little bit.
How many times can you break down on a short journey?
It's just the accelerator cable. Everything else is okay. No. We finally made it down to HQ. We broke down 6 times in the end. Just that accelerator cable really, it's knackered. So we're going to swap that out and put a new one in. Tony says he wants to look at the engine as well, do some tuning on it and stuff, because it's pretty much off the bench and put straight in, so it needs a bit of work. I think he wants to do something with the rear suspension as well. I think he wants to hire it, just bring it up a little bit. But other than that, I think it's sound. Look at the back of that. Incredible car this is. Even though we broke down, it was a pleasure to go in it. The rumble of that V8 is wow. So much power as well. Yeah, and we've also got some bits coming from Kate. Our own engines should soon have all the engine ready, so we can start assembling it. We've got some powder coating we need to pick up as well. That was from Project Powder Coatings in Brolly. And obviously the panels that we're still waiting on from Express Panels. So we've got a little bit of bracing to do left in Kate, and obviously get this sound problem sorted out with the camera. But I think we'll leave it there. Look at that for a shot. Have a good one, guys. We'll see you soon.